Hi, here at CoMo Cook's Kitchen, we're offering ways for growers to use our commercial kitchen to bring added value to their products. Today I want to show you how to bring some of that value to strawberries if you have an abundance of them. First thing we're going to do is wash the strawberries thoroughly with our CoMo Cook's colander. Then we're going to prep the strawberries by just cutting the ends off of them. We have cutting boards here, we have knives, we have the colanders, sheet pans. After you've done cleaning them, we're going to set it on this sheet pan so that we can freeze them. We have this great Techfrost blast chiller. Here I'm setting the temperature. Right now it's at -15 degrees. It's almost ready to put the strawberries in. I've put the strawberries in and they've been in there now for 25 minutes. And as you can see, the strawberries are about ready to come out. After around 25 minutes of freezing, the strawberries are frozen solid and I can bag them up. Here I'm bagging them in plastic bags and sealing them with the sealer that we provide here. Then I label it, weigh it, and date it. It really is that simple.